Hello everyone and welcome to the next lecture of vector differentiation. In this lecture we will solve some problems on vector differentiation like velocity, how to find velocity and acceleration vector, then how to find unit normal so that we can practice for a grad phi. So let us start with the first example. The example is in front of you. The radius vector of a moving point at any time t is r bar is equal to a in bracket t minus sin t I bar plus a in bracket 1 minus cos t j bar. The question is determine velocity and acceleration vector. So a simple question is there, just we have to find velocity and acceleration vector. Now r bar is given here, r bar is equal to a in bracket t minus sin t I bar plus a in bracket 1 minus cos t j bar. Generally we write r bar is equal to xi bar, we write generally r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. But here ready made it is given, value of x is a in bracket t minus sin t, value of y is a in bracket 1 minus cos t, and value of z is 0, so no problem. So r bar is given, we know that d r bar by dt is nothing but our velocity. The value of velocity vector is dr bar by dt. So we have to differentiate this r bar, we get velocity vector. So v bar is equal to dr bar by dt. Take the derivative a as it is, then here derivative of t is 1 minus derivative of sin t is cos t I bar plus a in bracket derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of minus cos t, derivative of cos t is minus sin t, minus minus it become plus sin t j bar. Okay, this is our v bar. Now acceleration dv bar by dt is nothing but a bar. The value of acceleration is dv bar by dt. So acceleration is equal to, just we have to differentiate this v bar. So differentiate it, a as it is, derivative of 1 is 0, as we saw right now derivative of this cos t is minus sin t and this minus it become plus sin t I bar plus a in bracket derivative of sin t is cos t j bar. So here we get acceleration a sin t I bar plus a cos t j bar. I can write it properly, a sin t I bar plus a cos t j bar. Okay, so we get velocity vector and acceleration vector, but at which point we have to find it, it is not given here. So we can take, suppose it is given in the problem that t equal to pi by 2, suppose it is given, so we can find at t equal to pi by 2 at some certain point we have to find the values. So here suppose I can find at t equal to pi by 2, so v bar at t equal to pi by 2. Clearly some point may be given in the problem, here it is not given, so we take t equal to pi by 2 point. Suppose if some question is asked at point, so t equal to pi by 2, put here pi by 2, a in bracket 1 minus cos pi by 2 I bar plus a sin pi by 2 j bar. We know that sin pi by 2 is 1 and cos pi by 2 is 0. So I get a 1 minus 0 I bar plus a sin pi by 2 is 1 j bar. So our answer is a I bar plus a j bar. This is our velocity vector. Now acceleration at t equal to pi by 2. Acceleration vector at t equal to pi by 2. Our acceleration vector is a sin t I bar plus a cos t j bar. So we get here a sin pi by 2 I bar plus a cos pi by 2 j bar. Again sin pi by 2 is 1, so a I bar, and cos pi by 2 is 0, so 0 j bar. We get only a I bar. So in this way we can solve the problem on velocity vector, finding velocity vector as well as acceleration vector. Suppose one more point at t equal to pi. If I ask find at t equal to pi, then same problem we can take v bar at t equal to pi, velocity vector at t equal to pi. So here again I have to see velocity vector a 1 minus cos t I bar plus a sin t j bar. So here a 1 minus cos pi, value of t is pi, I bar plus a sin pi j bar. A 1 minus cos pi I bar plus a sin pi j bar. Sin pi is 0, cos pi is minus 1. So a 1 minus of minus 1 I bar plus 0 j bar. So our answer is 2a I bar. Correct. Now acceleration at t equal to pi. Again in the acceleration a sin t I bar plus a cos t j bar, in that put t equal to pi. So a sin pi I bar plus a cos pi j bar. Correct. Sin pi is 0, cos pi is minus 1. So 0 minus a j bar. Get the answer? So in this way we can solve the problems on velocity vector and acceleration vector. Now we will see some problems on unit normal to the surface. So the question is, find unit normal to the surface. The surface is given x y cube z square is equal to 4 at a point minus 1 minus 1 2. Unit normal means del phi upon mod of del phi. So first we find del phi. For that I required phi. Phi is equal to x y cube z square minus 4 is equal to 0. So always write this phi all the terms on one side and equal to 0 form, f of x equal to 0, like that. So here I get here phi function. Now del phi, we know the formula, del phi is equal to I bar dou phi by dou x plus j bar dou phi by dou y plus k bar dou phi by dou z. Means I have to find 3 derivatives. I can substitute that 3 derivatives here and I get the answer. So here phi is given, find its 3 derivatives. Dou phi by dou x. With respect to x, derivative of x is 1, others as it is. So y cube z square. It is in the product, that's why I keep as it is, otherwise I may take 0. Derivative of minus 4 is 0. So dou phi by dou x is equal to y cube z square. Then dou phi by dou y. Dou phi by dou y with respect to y. Derivative of y cube is 3y square. So 3x as it is, y square z square. 3y square. Next one is third one, dou phi by dou z is equal to derivative with respect to z. It is z square is there, its derivative is 2z. So 2x y cube z and derivative of 4 is 0. Okay. Now all these 3 points I can find at minus 1, minus 1, 2. All these 3 values we can find at the point minus 1, minus 1, 2 in this step. So it becomes easier for us. Just like here, x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 2. So minus 1 cube into 2 square. So our answer is minus 4. Here 3 into minus 1 square into 2 square. So our answer is here 4 into this minus 3. So it is minus 12 is equal to here 2 minus 1 cube into 2. So our answer is minus plus, it is plus 4. Right? Now to write del phi, just take I bar, j bar, k bar to these 3 values. So my del phi, that is unit normal and unit vector directional derivative del phi, or and the gradient grad phi, it is not the directional derivative, it is grad phi. Grad phi is equal to minus 4 I bar minus 12 j bar plus 4 k bar. Correct? Now mod of del phi, because I have to find unit normal, so modulus I required, mod of del phi is under root of, have you remember the formula? Under root of a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square. So here minus 4 square plus minus 12 square plus 4 square. So your answer is under root of 16 plus 144 plus 16. So here 176, root of 176, or you may write 4 root 11. We can simplify, you can simplify and write down. Now a cap, unit normal, right? A bar upon mod of a bar. So in this way I have to find unit normal del phi upon mod of del phi. So our answer is minus 4 I bar minus 12 j bar plus 4 k bar divided by 4 root 11. You can simplify this by taking 4 common, minus I bar minus 3 j bar plus k bar divided by root 11. So in this way we can solve the problem. Hope you understood both the examples and you like it. Thank you for watching.